What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the best orange chicken you've ever had, literally. And I'm gonna pair it with a wine. Let's get right to it. All right, so I got all of my ingredients laid out here. First thing I need to do is I need to get my chicken seasoned and breaded. This chicken is gonna be fried twice, so we're gonna get it fried for the first time. I've got some chicken breast here and I've cut it into little pieces about an inch or so big. And I've got some salt, soy sauce, garlic powder, I've got a beaten egg, toss that chicken in the egg. All right, I got some cornstarch. I'm gonna add that. Get that tossed up. I've got this oil heated to 350 degrees and I'm gonna fry this chicken for about 4 or 5 minutes because as I mentioned earlier, we're gonna fry it twice. We want it to be really, really crispy. All right, here's the first fry. I've got a pan with a rack and I'm gonna hold my chicken on this rack while I get the rest of it fried up. You wanna allow your chicken to rest for at least about 5 minutes or so between fryings. So while we're waiting for the chicken, let's go ahead and make this sauce. I'm gonna start with some ginger, garlic, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine. I love that wine. It's so nutty and, oh man, it's just fantastic. Rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and honey. The secret to the best orange chicken that you've ever had is quality ingredients, fresh squeezed orange juice, and orange zest. I need to get the zest off of one of these oranges, and I need at least about a cup of juice from these oranges as well. I'm gonna add in my fresh squeezed orange juice. I'm gonna bring this to a simmer and I'm gonna allow this to thicken. I've got some cornstarch and water and I'm gonna add this to my sauce. All right, so I'm just gonna whisk my cornstarch slurry in and I'm gonna let this simmer for a minute or two. As you can see, it's already starting to thicken. So we wanna just let it go for about a minute or two. All right, we got what we were looking for in this sauce. I'm gonna kill the heat on this and just set this aside. All right, I've got my sauce made. I'm ready to get the chicken fried for the second time. Second time is just 2 minutes, all right? Fry it 2 minutes and I'm gonna toss it in the sauce and get it plated up. The orange chicken is done, and I'm pairing it with a 2023 Pierre Sparr Riesling. This is from the Alsace region in France. These Rieslings are known for being dry Rieslings, not the sweet Rieslings. Okay, so the wine is, there's a yellowish hue to it. Little like green highlights. Wow. On the nose, there's some stone fruit. I'm also getting petrol. I'm getting that petrol that Rieslings are known for. Let's give this a taste. Medium bodied on the palate. Zippy acidity. I mean, racy acidity. But that's good though, because we've got this dish that's got some sweetness to it. We've got a dry Riesling with some racy acidity. Hopefully that acidity will help to cleanse your palate between each bite when it comes to this really rich and sweet sauce. So let's give this dish a try here. Like I said, the best orange chicken that you'll ever taste. That is delicious. And the twice fry is really helping this chicken to stay crispy in the sauce. Now let's see if it pairs. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. So you've got a mouthful of that really sweet, sticky, rich orange chicken, and it's heavy, it's sitting there. And then that wine comes through and it cleanses the palate immediately. It's just like a reset. Man, that's good. But I gotta double check. Delicious. That's fantastic. And it's a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Ben, as always, eat well.